To factory reset your Z Fold 6 to sell, we will start by opening settings, then scroll all the way down until you see general management. Then scroll down again until you see reset. And when we scroll to the bottom, we have the factory data reset option. So this will wipe everything, your account, your pictures, your data. Your phone will be like you got it when it was brand new. So scroll to the bottom and then select reset. Enter in your login. There'll be one more reset button. Tap that and it will wipe everything. Please note, I do recommend transferring your data from this phone to a new phone. You'd have to search on YouTube how to transfer data from Samsung to then put your new phone in, and then there will be step-by-step instructions on YouTube. Typically, you'll find a video from me.